Hey, what's up? This is me, and I'm on some sort of pier, Tazacorte Beach. I totally just walked all the way up this way, and then I had to jump over this joint, Prince of Persia Stylie. I don't know if you can see it. I had to like scramble kind of up here. To where I am right now, and it's a really nice overlook of the sea. That, my friends, is the Atlantic Ocean. I think America, maybe Florida, is like that way. No, my bad, Africa. America's more like that way. Pretty sure. Not 100%, but that's my first blush guesstimate on directions. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that is the black sand beach at Tazacorte. Pretty freaking dope. And then up there live the mountain hippies. And just raft with some of them. I have to come back and hang out with those guys, yo. They're mad cool. You gotta know, I mean it when I say, I wish you were here. It's Raja, Africa. Tazacorte Beach. And I'm out.